Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech. In this video, I'll be talking about the new update MIUI 12, which I have received finally in the Poco X2 device. So these are early access version which I got and installed in the Poco X2. So right now I'll be showing you what is the update size and what are the features it got added. And recently when I did plenty of videos on the new MIUI 12 in my Redmi K20 Pro device. And if you want to know more details about the MIUI 12 features, so try to check the playlist. So all the links will be available in the description for everything. So as you can see, I'm using this MIUI 12 in my Redmi K20 Pro for the past 1 week, and everything, all A to Z details I have done, each and every video, even small matters, everything. So try to check those videos in case if you want to know more details about this update. So let's get started with the update size and what are the things you need to know so before this thing. And right now friends, I got this early access with the MIUI 12 in the Poco X2 device, and in case if you're using Poco X2 and if you don't receive the update, no need to worry. So very soon you will receive the stable update. So right now if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using exactly in all of these smartphones which has notch, punch holes and different notch on the displays, so try to check the links in description for the wallpaper playlist, so you can find plenty of useful videos in the wallpapers. So right now let me show you the update size, how much it is. So as you can clearly see, the update size is of 848 MB. So this is one thing you need to notice here. So previous update size in the Redmi K20 Pro is around 900 MB. So this is a small update size. So usually friends, with this kind of huge improvement in terms of the features and everything, the update size, I did expect it to close to 2 GB, but this is not the case. The update size is very low, so below 1 GB mark, because most of the Jio users, they do have 1 GB per day limit. So I think this will be the best option. With the Realme UI update, I did got I think close to 2 GB Realme UI update, but these are another good thing. So definitely stay tuned for more videos regarding this MIUI 12 update if you want to know more details about what are the things and how is the battery and everything. So right now I'm doing the battery test without updating the mobile phone. So at the moment I did not update to the MIUI 12. So right now I'm using this phone for the past 2 weeks, and I'll be doing another video on that one. So we can compare before and after results as well. So this week I'll be using the Poco X2 only as my daily user. So definitely if you want to know more details about this update or anything, so do comment below. I'll try to do those testings meanwhile this time. So as you can see, plenty of options got added in this kind of new update here. As you can see friends, the list goes on. So far I can say this can be the biggest update in the MIUI. So where the transitions, animations, everything got changed, so which I am pretty much interested in moreover. So definitely I'll update the MIUI 12 right now in the Poco X2, and I'll be using the mobile phone for this entire week in testing all these things like battery life, performance, and what are the new things which are not there in the Redmi K20 Pro and which are present here. So different testings even I'll be doing in the PUBG battery drain and PUBG FPS test, and plenty of videos to be come in the next future. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video definitely. So right now I'll be updating this new MIUI 12 update, and I'll be letting you know how is the battery and everything next days. So don't forget to stay tuned for more videos, and also do check the links in description also for wallpapers what I am using so right now. So as you can see right now it's downloading, and I'll be doing a complete review in the next couple of days. So stay tuned for the video. So this is a video to test just to demonstrate that I got the update, and if you have any questions you can comment below. So I'll be trying those tests in my Poco X2. So see you in the next video friends. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.